All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back. I hope all is well with you. Good morning to you. Some of you, it may be afternoon or evening. Please accept my greetings. This video is not going to be too long. I just want to present to you something very, very nice. Many of you have seen that on X. DPM made a post, and that post is very, very brief, but it has a lot to do with what you are doing. I'm laughing because some people will go crazy about this. Is understandable. You see, one thing you need to understand in life is if you appreciate good things will be coming to you. So if you are one of those that have been saying that DPM is this and that, this video may trigger you the more. It's not up to 48 hours that the go-to person says what he said, which of course I made a video about it yesterday. I talked about what Ugo said, and that video, many of you have watched it. Some of you have even seen that from Ugo's platform. And today, to some of you, late night, some of you this morning, being 30th day of June, the last day of the month. Remember, this month is 30th. It's not going to go to 31st and all that. So today is last day of the month. And by tomorrow, we will be in a new month. So this month shall not end us. And it's going to usher in a new month and a very happy new month. And we have to appreciate God for the month anyway. Please make sure you like the video and share it on many platforms of your choice. Happy new month in advance because we must enter new month. God, as long as God liveth. So DPM made a post and said that I talked to that my Oyendu prayed for me 10 minutes. At least that's the way she put that. I'm going to share that with you this morning, but I want you to understand what the context behind it. In this period that everybody is saying, talking from both sides of their mouth, people are just framing up stories just to suit the narrative. I keep on telling us, always shut your eyes. Do not be deceived. Do not allow this kind of thing to weigh you down. Don't allow these stories or anybody can say anything just to weigh you down. I will be streaming live on our second platform, okay, today. And but let me just say this, because yesterday, okay, depending on time zone anyway, the program that you had with Mike Arnold, that program, some people said, listening to Mr. Mike, I felt so down, listen, you don't need to. I don't know why our people are very, very emotional. Some of you don't like it when I say that we're emotional. I don't know. Is emotional? Is it a abusive word? Some of you will also come after me if I say that we are emotional. Now listen, anybody can say what they want to say. You that is wearing the shoe know where the shoe is bending you. Mr. McArnold is an American man. Some of you have been in the Southwest. I just want to give you an example. So before I can go to the program, this is not why we are here. We may dwell on it later in a live broadcast. You live in Southwest of Nigeria, Yoruba land. What makes you think that somebody who just visited Nigeria and spent some months will tell you history and stories of Southwesterners, how they behave, their character? You are in position to tell, to let the person know. But if the person said that he knows it better than you don't need to argue for peace to reign. It's okay. Let the person know that this is what I feel about them. But if the person insists for the conversation to progress, to continue, just say no problem. Remember, that was an interview, not a debate. So most of you that you are feeling somehow about it, please save yourself that energy. We know what is going on, and Biafrans are not, Dundee. My happiness now is that people who actually piloting the affairs are well grounded in terms of researching and knowing they know what to do and how to do it and when to do it. So that is all I have to tell you. I keep on telling you that what is going on now, people are pitching on PM, people are pitching on Mazi to advance their cause. But when you add this individual, PM Mazi you will find that something very, very, interesting. You will find out that these people, they know what is good and they know how to deal with it, they know how to go about it. But you are just trying to stress yourself because of what you don't know. DPM and PM, they are in contact. DPM and Mazi Kanu, they are actually in contact. That's why I said it's barely 48 hours. If I'm wrong, maybe I'm too kind. Should I say 12 hours? That will go to first and made a video and said what he said. We are not hearing this breaking news. What does that tell you? God has a way of doing his things. You are not God and you can never be God. God may use you does not mean that you are God. God may use you. That doesn't mean you are God. So let us understand this and save ourselves some stress. Let's quickly go through the post before we end it, because I promise the video is not going to be too long. Don't forget to like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. Please, I'm begging you. That is what I expect you to do. Please and please share it to many platforms of your choice. As you can see on the screen, DPM said press release. Okay. And when you come down a little bit, he said, Oyendu prayed for me for almost 10 minutes. DPM. Look at it. Okay. As fresh as today's bread. Look at her picture. When I see this picture, I laughed. DPM Marquez and I'm telling you. I swear that she knows how to. Last but we breathing fast, This kind of post we send shockwave not only to her. Why I use her? Because she don't hide her own. If you listen to her, of course she will react on this video. She may not understand what it means until this video that I'm making, and she will watch it and she will have an idea of what the post is talking about. Then she will now set up live stream. I know how she rolls. But that's not the issue. So this is DPM, as you can see here. She made this post a couple of hours ago. And Fam D is on the comment section. Some people prefer to call her Ego Bed. I prefer calling her Odokonamba. To get her type is difficult. If you are doubting me, maybe some of you, don't worry. Ugo was calling her names in that video. I purposely ignore that because it is inconsequential. Imagine when a young man, or maybe you think that you are young or anything at all, like you want to banter somebody, you want to show your grievances or your anger, your animosity about somebody, and you use age. The number one prayer of every soul, every human being in this world is to live long. To live long. They will never end that prayer without talking about long life. So if you are against long life, my dear man, I don't know. Now you choose a more. No, be good. I don't talk anything. He said, heaven and earth says amen and amen to Yendu's prayer upon the Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, the DPMCOS and the acting head of the state of the United States of Biafra, USB. This lady, this woman, like we go call her mama, this woman, or Dogonamba, use, her word is very, very few, but it carries a lot of energy. That's why some of them are tackling her. They don't like her. Why? Because she's not just, I don't want to say lawyer, because some of you may think that she's a subject. She's not a subject to anybody. She understands the situation, the circumstances, what people are facing, and she's contributing her own quote or her own quota, doing everything possible to harmonize, Biafrans and stand steadily on the mandate and doing what she can do to make sure that DPM succeed. No government in this world worked or succeed without people that are very, very, very hardworking and, intelligent, that understand what the situation is all about and do what it's supposed to do without looking back. So that's the grace of God, and we thank her. We appreciate her. I don't take her, her efforts for granted. Personally, I know what I'm saying, because some people will say, "Oh, why will I obey DPM after I am older than her, or why will I obey?" That, but she don't sense this nonsense. I felt that maybe she's a born again Christian. I'm just saying, because the spirit and the mind that she's using, the understanding everything, is not easy to have. You must be someone that have tested cool and hot to have that kind of mentality. Anyway, let's continue. Our own brother Drake is on the comments. He said, "And the more power to move any kinds of mountains has been bestowed upon you, Nnamdi. Carry go. You are unstoppable, Mama Biafra. I mount with you till the end of this race." That's Drake. And with picture of DPM. Then Christopher Kenwa is on the comment section. Christopher just made this post with Egu Bob Marley. I think Bob Marley, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not going to play it because of copyright, please. And Dr. William Daddy Omunso said, Daddy Monso, yeah, said, "My DPM, Your Excellency, you are the answered prayers of the United States of Biafra. Since our leader told us about you many years ago of the crossing with you. Okay, he said many years ago, cruising with you in this SUV and CUV and buying Oroma during holidays from another girl of your age while you were licking ice cream." I don't understand what the person is saying. He's speaking in a parable. I don't want to quote what I don't know. John C said, "Who know like better things? I tire, my brother." I tire. This first one, who know like better things? That's what I said. How can Mazi can after a man with wisdom like that? Have you listened to Mazi Makana like 1 month? Not those that are just crossover. That you are not, I mean, have you been to Mazi Makana's live broadcast for 1 month? Come on. We will not just look around and say, no, no, no. Begin to what makes you think that the US cannot stand him anymore? Because the man don't want to, compromise. He's not someone that will say something and go back to another thing. That's why DOS are fighting him with everything, wishing that rope should, rope will go, on his neck. You know what I mean? So please let us understand something. If I know they pray for you, make you succeed, make Chuko no give me what I want in this life. Isn't why you will succeed. He said that John C. That friends that are dedicated, that I understand the situation, are not playing around. I'm just being real to you. USBG, United States of Biafra Government, is the last chapter of this Bible of the Christian faith and or the Nana of Ndibo Biafra. Last, the rejected stone is becoming the most important stone for the builders. The template is going smooth. That is who's the person? That's a Biafra giant hops. I think I know. I've seen. I think I have read the comment from this and read that before. And that's Amonekba is on the comment section. You know why? Ahead. We are solidly behind you. Nothing do you, original Mama Biafra. Biafrans will continue to appreciate you for all you your efforts. See for all your effort to see we get for all your efforts to see we get to our promised land. I understand. Okay, so there's another comment. Let me be choosing some of the comments. I think this is going to be the last. That's from Ogodoman. Ogodoman said, "I have never been wrong. Nothing." I said, "Not during my shop. On account to things of the old." IPOB, Briggy Autopilot, and Briggy. He said, "Briggy Autopilot and Briggy or being USB. It won't start now." Okay, Neko. Do you understand? He said, "Biafra are praying for you and the entire cabinet. Oyendo has been praying for Biafra to come. and his prayers got answered in USB. I am sure they are proud of you as we are. You get the point. I said something. There's something that I did not comment much, but I just laugh off when I saw this picture of DPM. I told you that. Where is that picture? Although it's the same picture, but I want to start from where they are. The one that DPM posted. This picture you are seeing here. Reason why I said what I said is because you can see joy. I believe this is a recent picture. Maybe she just took this picture this evening, or afternoon time, her time. But you can see joy and relaxed. She feels very, very relaxed. That is what you will feel when genuine person pray for you. Or maybe one of her old picture, but for her to make the choice to attach this picture to the post that she made here is very, very, very good. Very, very good. Those of you that will be agitating about it, I'm sorry. I can't help you. I'm sorry about it. And she have never visited Finland. She have never talked to Obatobi. I hear you, sir. I hear you, man. Now, I want you also to show me, have you heard from Mazi Nnamdi? Oh, you forgot that one. She have heard from Mazi Nnamdi. They will say it's a lie. She can't lie. Don't worry. Time will tell you. Time is ticking. Time is ticking. Remember when Wazirike was arrested and what happened? People did not tell the story of what happened to Wazirike. How somebody hijacked everything and took his men and met him in the prison and bragged to him that you're alone. It took some time or some years before the truth began to surface. Despite that, Wazirike, to me, is not genuine either, even now. But that we have some cold feelings about him does not mean that everything about him is wrong. Because Mazi Kanu is where he is today, PM is where he is today, and Branko no na Yonema in the word of Madam she'll say that some people are pooping gas and something like that. This Wazirike is doing the same thing. And one thing you need to understand is that his comment in the past could not allow me to feel relaxed about him. And he's not making the comment he made recently about somebody that the federal government gave appointment, right? He advised the person to accept it, that is going to help you from Mazi Nnamdi, right? And end of the day, the first assignment of that could know that people is to convince Finland to do what federal government want him to do. That alone made me in fact, that pushed me far away more from Wazirike. And the recent Oginkere alliance with him, praying for him, because that is trending also. Maybe I will write on that nonsense. For Oginkere to a kind of giving him honor and appreciation makes me feel like Oginkere himself and Wazirike maybe they share the same boss. I don't want to further that, but time will tell. Like I said, please, I'm going to end it here. What do you think? What's your take? Are you happy, or you are one of those that are doubting? Oh, that she lied. Is that what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments, and I would like to hear from you. I genuinely want to know if you agree or disagree. But I will tell you why you must think, with your right, think with your right senses. Do not begin to manipulate things. DPM don't have any reason whatsoever to lie to you. There's no reason. She's not telling you that she talked to PM Mazi Nnamdi because she wants your favor. Whatever you do for your ASB government, you actually do it for yourself. If you know, you know. Please like the video, subscribe, and share it. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.